How can she go on and spin so fast?
That bit, if it went to that, I would go on it. But when it gets really high...
I would go on it if it didn't spin. Don't like it. Now it's starting to get higher.
Yeah.
That's nuts. Hell.
They are not far from the bars, are they?
Huh?
The feet aren't that far from the bars.
I know.
God, Jesus Christ.
Oh. It would be pretty cool if it went over. I wouldn't go on it, but it'd be cool to see, you know?
Yeah. I'm scared it's going to hit me.
Yeah, but it's not, is it? God, it spins as well. I don't like it. No, I know.
Am I supposed to video the whole ride?
Probably. Until it stops and she gets off.
It's going down now.
Yeah. And on my thingy. That's gonna have me on there going, I dropped my thingy. Exactly. That's what I thought. That's so cool. No, not that stuff.